Hey guys, it's Wolfie at Nitro Psycho 2 Crew here, back with another video, and today I'm vlogging around Knott's Berry Farm. This video is featuring front row coasters.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, so first ride of the day is Ghost Rider. Let's go. Comment down below if you consider Ghost Rider a CCI or GCI. Just got off of Ghost Rider. I realized it got more airtime than I thought. Next up, Silver Bullet. Despite opening in 2004, that was actually very smooth except for the Cobra Roll. And I also noticed that flight deck is still more intense.
You know me,
just having some brunch.
snob.
Getting in line for Pony Express. That was surprisingly a very powerful launch. What did you think of the launch?
No, yeah, like the launch had some kick to it.
All right, crazy. Getting in line for hang time. Dude, best Gerstlauer Infinity I've ever ridden. I'm gonna ride again. Dude, if you ever have the chance to go to Knott's Berry Farm, you gotta ride Hang Time. It's the best ride in the park. Is this ride worth the long line? Absolutely. Dude, this ride never gets old. I know it's hard to see, but this mist is actually really nice. Like, not gonna lie, it's actually really nice. Dude, this picture matches my shirt right here. Whoa. This is so cool.
Fish to see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day. Folks, remember, one stray spark and we'll all get lost. Seldom seen Slim. Go. Drinks on you, Slim. All the different kinds of lines we have all man's best friend for nothing, especially when you go like that.
Calico Mine Train is a very underrated dark ride. Not the best dark ride I've ridden, but pretty good. Next up, Sierra Sidewinder. Again, just having some lunch. Getting in line for Jaguar. In a nutshell, the theming is really incredible. Was Jaguar really worth an hour wait? Absolutely not. Well, that about wraps it up for today's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.